What if I told you, not all birds are birds? Sounds crazy, right? But during the Cold War, the CIA actually built spy birds. These were pigeons equipped with hidden cameras. And they weren't alone. The military tried to train cats to spy, dolphins to detect mines, even insects to carry listening devices. So when people joke that birds are drones, well, it's not entirely a joke. Some of those creatures, they flew, they watched, and they were very, very real. So if you think you're alone in the woods, you might not be.